Do you spend hours importing and reconciling bank statements in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central? Today, we're going to introduce you to our latest offering, the OmniFY Automated Reconciliation, a game changer in optimizing bank and credit card reconciliations. Before we begin, check out our solutions on Microsoft AppSource by searching for OmniFY. OmniFY Automated Reconciliation is a complementary extension enhancing standard bank reconciliations in Dynamics 365 Business Central. It utilizes a third-party platform that directly pulls transaction data from all banks and credit card providers, eliminating any compliance concerns. It automatically syncs bank transactions into Business Central, saving your time from downloading from bank and importing into the system. By reducing month-end tasks to minutes, your team can focus on critical responsibilities, increasing productivity. This product is ideal for organizations that manage high transaction volumes, operate with multiple bank accounts, and have operations across various locations and nations. Now, let us see how it works. It starts by accessing the OmniFY Automated Reconciliation Setup page. In the bank's credit card page, connect your online bank accounts with Business Central. Initiate the process by selecting New and follow the setup wizard. Then, select your bank and provide your debit card information and password as instructed. Once authentication is approved, a pop-up message will be displayed as "Your account has been successfully linked," and then you can download the accounts. This action retrieves all accounts associated with the logged-in debit card, along with their respective balances. You could download transactions directly from here, or you can schedule it in the background to download it on a daily basis. After connecting bank's credit card with your actual bank account, the next step is to connect your bank accounts in Dynamics with your actual bank account. Find the correct bank account card and select your bank account ID. Now, you can see the status is linked. And you can find Bank Unreconciled Amount, which is the unreconciled bank ledger entries, and OmniFY Unreconciled Amount, which is the downloaded bank transaction amounts. Additionally, you can actually see the transactions that are being downloaded from the bank account card directly. The next step is in the bank reconciliation, where you have the option to import transactions that were downloaded from the bank. Then you can proceed with your standard bank reconciliation in the Dynamics. There is also an option to reconcile with Copilot. Running Copilot will provide a visual indicator as it displays the number of lines automatically matched and those matched by Copilot. The Match Proposals is used to match statement lines with multiple bank ledger entries based on descriptions, meaning it supports one-to-many matchings. In the last column, Proposal, simply click on the hyperlink to view the multiple bank ledger entries to which the statement line is matched. It's important to note that none of the Copilot proposals are saved in your database unless you explicitly choose to keep the proposals by clicking Keep It button at the bottom. Once transactions are matched with bank ledger entries and statements are posted, downloaded transactions will be marked as reconciled and statement status will become closed. We hope you enjoyed this OmniFY automated reconciliation demo. Remember, after installing the app from Microsoft AppSource, you can start a free 30-day trial period to evaluate its features and functionality without restrictions. If you have any questions or need a personalized demo, feel free to email us at sales@omnilogicsolutions.com. We would be more than happy to assist you. Thank you for watching.